The Brazilian e-commerce giant Americanas was hit by a cyber attack end of February this year. The gang behind the attack was the notorious Lapsus group. Americanas has now released their financial numbers for last quarter, which includes this cyber attack. And in there it states that it lost $183 million in sales after they were hit by the cyber attack. That's all due to the online shops no longer working. The warehouse and logistics still worked even during the attack. And after 5 days, the company had restored normal operations for their online shops as well. Despite this attack, the company still generated a 22% increase year over year. Well, not too bad, but probably could have been better. Acronis Cyber Protect detects and blocks malware typically used in cyber attacks by the Lapsus group. And the disaster recovery service helps you to get back up and running quickly whenever your services are down.